Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Students, can you hear me, beta? Is my voice clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am, your voice is audible.
Audible, it is clear, or is it breaking, beta?
Ma'am, it is clear.
Okay, okay, okay. All right, we will wait for 1 or 2 more minutes. Let everybody come and join, and then we will start the class. All right? Till then, you can revise what was done in the last class. Okay. Can you see my screen? Everyone, can you see my screen, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Janvi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Adhin, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Sanemi, beta, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Viddish, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tarush, are you there, beta? Tarush, are you there?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Chalo. All right. Let's start with the class. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, actually, on yesterday I was doing Socrative. So, ma'am, I was confused in zones. Like, ma'am, we have not done about tropical, temperate, and frigid zone.
ओके कोई बात नहीं, अभी डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. अभी आज सॉक्रेटिव
Okay.
डिस्कस करते हैं.
Okay.
चलो. ओके. तो सॉक्रेटिव डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. आपने लास्ट क्लास में सॉक्रेटिव सॉल्व किया था. Any doubt in question number 1, 2 and 3? Any doubt? Question 1, 2, 3, no?
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. 4, 5, 6. Any doubt? Question 4, 5, 6.
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay. Question number 7. Question number 7, no doubt. Question number 8, 9, 10.
No, ma'am.
Okay, no doubt in question number 8, 9, 10. All right, let's move further.
Excuse me, ma'am, there was issue. Ma'am, can I tell my doubts from 1 to 10?
1
Ma'am,
to
4
10.
question 4 and question 6.
Question number 4 and question number 6. Okay. The non-living things in a habitat are its dash components. The non-living things in a habitat are its biotic components.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम वो बायोटिक हो गया या अबायोटिक?
Sorry, abiotic components. Non-living things है ना, तो abiotic components. Abiotic components. Okay. Living things are the biotic components and non-living things are abiotic components. ये तो आपने छोटी क्लास में भी पढ़ा था, ये सबको पता होगा. ओके. और तारुष कौन से क्वेश्चन में डाउट था? 6
Question
क्वेश्चन.
number 6.
Sunlight and heat are dash of ecosystem.
Ma'am,
Are
abiotic.
abiotic components of ecosystem. यहाँ पे components भी आना चाहिए था. Components word missing है यहाँ पे.
Ma'am, that's why I was a little bit confused in it.
हाँ जी. Sunlight and heat are abiotic components of ecosystem. Okay. चलो. और 10 तक किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 तक डाउट नहीं है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. 12 and 13, any doubt? No doubt. Okay. Everybody please pay attention on the screen. आप questions देखते जाएंगे और मुझे बताते जाएंगे doubts. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Question number 14, 15, any doubt? No doubt.
Ma'am, I want to ask something, ma'am, that, ma'am, you told us that we measure humidity by hygrometer or hydrometer.
Hygrometer.
Yes, ma'am, I did. In one question, there was that I did hygrometer only, but ma'am, it was question number 25. The correct answer was was hydrometer, and in the explanation was given hygrometer only, because there were two options like hydrometer and hygrometer.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am, I faced this issue too.
Yes, ma'am, I took the screenshot also.
ओके कोई बात नहीं. हाइग्रोमीटर आंसर है. हाइग्रोमीटर वो मिस्टेक हो गई होगी आंसर टिक करने में. हाइग्रोमीटर इज द राइट आंसर. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, एनी डाउट?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
17, डाउट?
No, ma'am.
18,
No, ma'am.
जिसको भी डाउट होगा वो मुझे वही बता देगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, 20, 21.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Question number 22, 23. Wait. Yes, 21 to 23 question.
Ma'am, in 22, the answer will be wind velocity.
Anemometer is used to measure? Yes, wind velocity. Velocity is another word used for speed.
Speed.
Velocity is speed. आप पढ़ोगे अभी हायर क्लासेस में velocity के बारे में डिटेल में. Velocity means speed. Okay. All right. Let me scroll down. 24.
Ma'am, I have doubt in question number 24.
Mean temperature at any place for a given month means the average
first
temperature
one.
recorded during the month. The average of the averages of temperature, both of the above combined, none of the above. Yes, the first one. The
Ma'am, but the
average.
answer was there that the both of the above combined.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the average of the averages of temperature receded during the recorded आएगा. Receded नहीं होगा, recorded आएगा. Okay. I will see this question and I will get back to you. मैं अभी
Okay, ma'am.
answer एक बार check करूँगी, I will get back to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 25 and 26. Doubt? No doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, 27. बाकी बच्चों ने अटेम्प्ट किया था? उन्हें कोई डाउट नहीं है या उन्होंने अटेम्प्ट ही नहीं किया?
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, I was attending a family wedding, so ma'am, I didn't do that quiz. Ma'am, I will do it today only.
Okay. Atmospheric pressure is measured with the help of barometer. Question number 28 is very easy. Question number 29. Wet and dry hygrometer. Humidity measure करने के लिए यूज होता है. 30 का आंसर आपका गलत आ रहा था क्या?
No, ma'am, it was question number 25.
अच्छा ठीक है. Humidity is measured with the help of hygrometers. ठीक है. 31.
Ma'am, this was already correct.
Okay. 31 doubt. No, very easy question. 32, 33, 34.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो अवनी बेटा.
मैम 32 वाले क्वेश्चन में मैम मैंने रेन गॉज लिखा था C, पर मेरा गलत आ रहा था.
ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए बेटा.
Ma'am, मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ.
रेन गेज ही आंसर होना चाहिए. आपसे गलती से गलत टिक हो गया होगा. बाय मिस्टेक आपने गलत ऑप्शन टिक कर दिया होगा, इसलिए आपका आंसर गलत आ रहा होगा. वैसे द आंसर इज रेन गेज ओनली. और किसी स्टूडेंट के साथ ऐसी प्रॉब्लम हुई?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
हाँ, तो गलती से अवनी से गलत आंसर टिक हो गया होगा. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. 33, 34, 35. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, also I had problem in question 25 only, ma'am.
You have problem in question?
It was hydrometer and hygrometer. That one I've issued, I've told you.
25, let's go to 25. Okay. Choose the instrument used for measurement of humidity at a place. It is hygrometer. Okay. We are on question number 33, 34, 35, no doubt.
And we were on 35.
36, 37, 35 के बाद 36, no doubt. 37, 38, 39.
I had doubt on
The
37.
answer is 37.
Okay, doubting question number 38.
37.
37. Machine on which atmospheric pressure is recorded continuously on rotating paper is called that is called I also just forgot what it is
Ma'am,
called.
in the Socrative, the answer was showing barograph.
Yes, ma'am. I took the screenshot also, but in the explanation they was getting barometer. But it barometer only. Ma'am, your voice is cracking a lot.
Ma'am, your voice is cutting a lot.
No, barograph is the right answer.
Ma'am, what is
Can you hear me?
barograph?
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके सो बैरोग्राफ पे क्या होता है बेटा, बैरोमीटर पे जो रीडिंग आती है वो कॉन्स्टेंटली एक ग्राफ पे रिकॉर्ड होती रहती है. इट्स लाइक अ सिलेंड्रिकल ग्राफ. देखो पिक्चर में दिख भी रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
सिलेंड्रिकल उसके ऊपर वो ग्राफ लगा रखा है. तो
Yes,
दैट ग्राफ इज कॉल्ड बैरोग्राफ.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके
Okay, ma'am.
ऑलराइट. एनी डाउट इन 38,
मैम
39,
बट एक्सप्लेनेशन में तो मैम 37th क्वेश्चन के 12 बैरोमीटर आ रहा था.
Yes, ma'am. I also saw that. हमें explanation में barometer ही लिखा हुआ था, लेकिन आंसर में barograph लिखा हुआ था. Ma'am, you're not audible.
Ma'am, your voice is cutting a lot.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking a lot.
चाहिए आंसर. Get again. There is, I am sorry for the inconvenience, but there is some network issue in my area since afternoon. Okay, the explanation was wrong. The right answer is barograph.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am.
Now next. 38, 39, 40, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay, 41, 42, 43, any doubt?
Ma'am, I have doubt in 41 question.
Instrument used for measuring relative density of liquids based on the concept of buoyancy. Based on the concept of buoyancy. That is.
Ma'am, what is buoyancy?
Buoyancy बेटा buoyant force होती है. That is the force exerted by the liquid. जब आप swim कर पाते हो, कोई चीज swim कर पाती है, वो किस लिए कर पाती है? क्योंकि वो जो liquid है वो उसके ऊपर एक upward force लगा रहा है.
Okay, ma'am.
Continuously एक upward force लगा रहा है. वो upward force को buoyant force कहते हैं.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, what is the answer?
And answer is hygrometer only.
Ma'am, but in the answer it was showing hydrometer, and in the explanation also hydrometer is written.
इसको भी छोड़ दो.
Okay, ma'am.
जो तुम्हारे डाउट्स है ना, मैंने उसको सर्कल कर लिया है. वैसे इट्स हाइग्रोमीटर, बट आई विल गो थ्रू इट अगेन.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, actually I also did, I think, hygrometer, but I don't remember now.
Okay. Instrument question number 42, 43, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, 45. Question number 45. Question number 45. Any doubt, beta?
Ma'am, no doubt.
No.
Please answer me. At least either reply on chat or unmute yourself and then answer. अगर आप कुछ बोलोगे नहीं मुझे पता कैसे चलेगा बेटा? Just answer, okay? Question number 46. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
47.
Ma'am, I have doubt in question number 46.
Which of the following briefly describes tropical rainforests? Hot and dry. देखो tropical rainforest है ना, तो
Yes, ma'am.
hot and wet होगा.
Okay.
Answer क्या था?
Ma'am, hot and wet only.
Hot and wet
But
only.
ma'am, there was not explanation given, so that's why I'm asking you.
Okay.
यस मैम, और इसके बेसिक आगे क्वेश्चन आया था कि क्या क्लाइमेट होता है रेन फॉरेस्ट का, ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट।
मैंने बताया था ना, जब हमने डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्लाइमेट पढ़े थे, मैंने
Yes,
बताया
ma'am.
था
Desert
डेजर्ट
region,
का.
tropical, ma'am, temperate region.
यस, डेजर्ट का मैंने बताया था हॉट एंड ड्राई,
Yes, ma'am.
और ट्रॉपिकल का मैंने बताया था हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड होगा. ठीक है, क्योंकि वहां पे बारिश ज्यादा होगी, वहां पे इवेपोरेशन ज्यादा होगी, तो इसकी वजह से हवा में मॉइस्चर बहुत ज्यादा रहेगा.
Ma'am, so humid.
Hot, yes, that is why humid. Question number 47. A place is known to have a, okay, किसी का डाउट है ये?
Ma'am, the answer is population of that place.
Yes. Any किसी का डाउट है?
No, ma'am.
चलो आगे चलते हैं.
Ma'am, I have the doubt in question number 48.
Question number 48. A region with dense vegetation of trees, shrubs, herbs, and also a variety of animals like elephant, lion is a temperate region होगा.
Okay, ma'am.
तुमने क्या लिखा था?
Ma'am, I don't know actually.
All right. Next.
Ma'am, but the answer given is tropical region.
बेटा टेम्परेट रीजन होना चाहिए मेरे ख्याल से तो.
Ma'am, in the correct answer there is given tropical region.
Okay, again I will cross check it and I will see what the answer is.
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo. All right, next. Dash is the region of is the coldest region.
Frigid.
Frigid.
Frigid region, we all know that. Okay, 50, 51, 52, doubt.
Ma'am, 52.
Choose the correct option for the given figure.
Ma'am,
Temperate.
D.
B. A is not frigid zone.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
मैम
D.
बी नहीं होगा।
A देखते हैं, A कौन सा जोन है? C इक्वेटोरियल जोन है, C इज इक्वेटर, तो C इक्वेटर 3 ऑप्शन में दिया हुआ है, A, B और D में. अब देखते हैं D कौन सा जोन है? D ट्रॉपिकल जोन है, तो D ट्रॉपिकल.
Ma'am, D is
Be
torrid
frigid.
zone.
ये the answer is D part. The answer is D part. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, the answer given is D part only.
All right. Any doubt?
Yes,
53, 54, 55.
Ma'am, question number 54.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 54।
Important feature of tropical region is hot climate.
Okay, ma'am.
ट्रॉपिकल रीजन है बेटा, इक्वेटर के पास है, तो
Yes,
ऑटोमेटिकली इट हैज टू बी वेरी हॉट.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Got it.
ओके. एनिमल व्हिच डज नॉट बिलोंग टू ट्रॉपिकल रीजन.
Ma'am, none of these.
नन ऑफ
क्वेश्चन नंबर 56, 57. एनी डाउट?
Ma'am, 57.
यस मैम मी टू।
Ma'am, Kenya is the
Ma'am,
डैश
answer.
कंट्री डज नॉट. यस, डैsh country belongs to the polar region. क्या आंसर लिखा है?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
actually,
option
I
D.
did. Actually, I
Ma'am.
did none of these.
मैम आई सेड नन ऑफ दीस।
Ma'am, because I don't know about it. I have not an idea.
What is the right answer?
Ma'am, the answer is
Ma'am,
Kenya.
option D.
सनेमी केन्या है आंसर बेटा.
Yes, ma'am, I did that only.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, in SST, I've read about in school, so I knew that it doesn't in the polar region.
Okay, wait for a minute, beta. Just wait for a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's move further. Question number 58, 59, 60.
Ma'am, question number 60.
Kind of forest which receives much rainfall throughout the year and also day and night are equal in duration.
Tropical rainforest.
Tropical rainforest. Okay. सिर्फ सनेमी और तारुष को डाउट है क्या? और किसी बच्चे को डाउट नहीं है? सबको सारे आंसर्स आते थे? अध्ययन, राध्या, अवनी?
मैम मेरा तो ऑडियो चला गया था मैम 2 मिनट के लिए।
सबको सारे आंसर्स आते हैं? किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है?
मैम मैंने 57 से लेकर सारा मिस किया था मैम, प्लीज आप एक बार फिर से वो कर दोगे?
57 से देखो, 57 हमने डिस्कस कर लिया, कहने आंसर है 58, 59, 60।
यस मैम, मेरे को इसमें डाउट नहीं था।
चलो 61, 62।
Ma'am, 62.
What causes the air circulation from poles to the warmer latitudes? The air at the pole is colder as compared to the air at the latitudes about 60 degrees. The air at the poles, temperature of air is almost same at the poles and at the latitudes. No, I think A is the answer.
Yes, ma'am. A is the only answer, but ma'am, I had not studied about it.
Ma'am, I just did it, ma'am, because from warmer latitudes to poles, I thought it would be colder. That's why I did it.
Yes, the answer is A only. Why is it A? Because the air at poles automatically will be colder. The air at the warmer latitudes will automatically be warmer. So इसलिए option A is the right option. Now next 63, 64,
Ma'am,
65.
63.
Typhoon is another name of the cyclone, which is in which of the following? It's Japan.
Ma'am, the answer was both B and C.
Philippines and Japan.
Philippines and Japan's both. Japan का तो मुझे पता है.
Ma'am, both B and C.
I am not sure about Philippines. So okay, agar if it's saying B and C, then it's B and C only. Okay. All right. Next. 64, 65, 66. Any doubt? 67. No doubt.
Ma'am, 67.
67.
67.
68. In which case will the air move faster? While moving from a region of pressure 2 atmosphere to 1 atmosphere to that of 2 atmosphere. While moving from the region of pressure 1 atmosphere to that of pressure to that of 2 atmosphere. Okay.
Ma'am, and that I have two doubts, ma'am. Number one, ma'am, B and same plus
From I think it will be from 2 to 1 atmosphere.
Ma'am, answer was showing that only.
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, how?
Beta, air moves from area of high pressure to area of low pressure.
Okay.
Okay. High pressure से low pressure की तरफ move करती है इसलिए. All right. Any doubt? Question number 16, 8 to 70, 71.
70.
Ma'am, 70.
Plants in cold region shed leaves because of
Ma'am, water scarcity.
water scarcity.
Ma'am, so that transpiration doesn't take
Yes,
place.
very good.
Ma'am,
क्या होता है बेटा? हाँ बोलो अवनी.
your
बोलो.
voice is cracking a lot, ma'am.
बेटा कभी कभार ना हमारे इंटरनेट में इशू होता है.
Ma'am, your voice was not cracking.
No,
तो-
ma'am, your
तो
voice is very much clear.
हाँ, तो कभी कभार हमारे इंटरनेट में इशू हो जाता है, इसलिए हमें वॉइस क्रैकिंग आती है. ओके, ऑल राइट. प्लांट्स इन कोल्ड रीजन शेड लीव्स बिकॉज अगर वो लीव्स शेड नहीं करेंगी तो लीव्स में से ट्रांसपिरेशन होता रहेगा, लेकिन उनके
Okay.
पास इतना पानी ही नहीं है कि वो ट्रांसपिरेशन कर सकें, तो इसलिए
Okay.
दे शेड लीव्स.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके, 71, 72, एनी डाउट?
Ma'am, 72.
Which of the following has tropical climate?
Ma'am, Kerala or Assam.
केरला और
केरला,
असम.
हाँ, केरला एंड असम इज द राइट आंसर. जो इंडिया का लोअर पार्ट है, जो इंडिया का ये लोअर पार्ट है, दैट इज क्लोजर टू द इक्वेटर, दैट इज क्लोजर टू द इक्वेटर, दैट इज व्हाई इट हैज ट्रॉपिकल क्लाइमेट. ओके, क्लियर?
Yes.
All right. 73, 74, 75, any doubt?
Ma'am, 74.
If the region of a country is nearer to the equator, it will have tropical climate.
Ma'am, and 75.
Which of the following does not live in tropical rainforest? Reindeer. I guess reindeer is the right answer.
Yes, ma'am, reindeer
Ma'am,
was
I
the right
did
answer.
reindeer only.
रेनडियर मैम, इसका आंसर रेनडियर. मैम, रेनडियर फ्रिजिड जोन में रहता है क्या?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Next. 76, 77, any doubt?
मैम, मेरे को 76 में था मैम, ऑल्दो मेरा आंसर सही होता, बट आई डिडंट नो इट.
Which of the following country does not have tropical rainforests? कौन सी कंट्री के पास नहीं है? इंडिया के पास नहीं है.
I made a guess and it was correct.
बाकी सबके पास है ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट.
Okay, ma'am, I didn't know about Malaysia and Canada, that's why.
ऑल राइट. बेटा कभी कभार पता है हमें आंसर आता नहीं होता, लेकिन हम ना थोड़ी सी कॉमन सेंस यूज करके आंसर निकाल सकते हैं. अब हमें पता है कि इसमें से एक ऑप्शन है जिसमें ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट नहीं है, तो हमें बाकियों का नहीं पता, लेकिन हमें इंडिया का पता है कि इंडिया में 100% ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट नहीं है. तो चाहे बाकियों का आता हो या नहीं आता हो, लेकिन इंडिया में तो नहीं है, और एक ही ऑप्शन सही हो सकता है, तो इट हैज टू बी इंडिया ओनली. तो कभी कभार हल्की सी कॉमन सेंस से आप आंसर निकाल सकते हो. ओके, 77, 78, 80 till 80, any doubt?
Ma'am, 79.
Tropical rainforests support large number of plants and animals because of C
Ma'am,
option.
continuous warmth and rain.
है, continuous warm and rain. वहाँ
Ma'am,
पे
why it is not hot and heavy rain? Because, ma'am, you told us that it is hot and wet climate.
हॉट एंड हेवी रेन, बेटा देखो दोनों ऑप्शन सही है, सी और डी दोनों ऑप्शन सही है, लेकिन विच इज मोर अप्रोप्रिएट? मोर अप्रोप्रिएट इज कॉन्टिन्यूअस वार्मथ एंड रेन.
Okay.
कॉन्टिन्यूअसली वहाँ वार्मथ भी है और वहाँ रेन सप्लाई भी है, इसलिए वहाँ इतने सारे जानवर और इतने सारे प्लांट्स रह सकते हैं.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
C and D both are correct, but more appropriate is C only.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. 80, 81, 82, any doubt?
Ma'am, 81.
Which of the following organisms is found in polar region? Both. C is the option.
But the correct answer
Ma'am,
was
but the correct
penguin.
answer was penguin.
Ma'am,
नहीं,
it is
नहीं,
written South
गलत
Pole
से.
also.
And ma'am, in North also
अच्छा,
there was
sorry,
written
sorry,
polar
sorry.
bear.
Okay, साउथ पोल लिखा है, मैं सिर्फ पोलर रीजन्स देखा, मैंने साउथ पोल नहीं देखा. नॉर्थ पोल पे पोलर बियर, साउथ पोल पे पेंगुइन. राइट आंसर पेंगुइन. I didn't see South Pole. I just saw polar region.
Ma'am, why they both can't live in both
Yes,
polar
ma'am.
region?
बेटा स्पीशीज जहां इवॉल्व हो जाती है फिर वो वहीं रहती है, दैट इज द रीजन। ऐसा कुछ स्पेसिफिक रीजन नहीं है इसका। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 82, 83,
I'm 83.
83, wait, 83 question. The animals that can live in water as well as on land are called amphibians.
Amphibian.
Amphibians, this is
Okay,
very
ma'am.
simple. Okay, 84.
I'm
Any doubt?
84.
Which of the following statement is or are correct? Xerophytes refer to desert plant and animals. This is incorrect. There are no roots in desert. This is also incorrect. Desert plants do not show the process of transpiration. In mountain region, we see different kinds of adaptation and different heights. I think C is the right option.
Ma'am, the answer is D.
D. Okay.
In mountain regions, we see different kinds of adaptation at different height.
Okay, okay. I thought it was C because desert plant. Okay, desert plant show very little transpiration. Transpiration तो होती है, but very little transpiration. Okay. चलो, D is the right option.
Yes, ma'am.
That was it for Socrative.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's move back to our chapter. Okay, we were discussing seal, right? Seal हमारा cover हो गया था.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, seal की हमने कर ली थी सारी adaptations. Seal में forward eyes,
Yes, ma'am.
flippers, rudder-like tail, streamlined body, and fat to keep it warm. At least 5 adaptations of every organism you should know. All right. Seal में कोई doubt? No. Question is, humans can stay underwater for 3 minutes, while seal can stay underwater for 30 minutes. How? Humans maximum 3 मिनट के लिए पानी के अंदर रह सकते हैं, maximum. और seal 30 minutes के लिए पानी के अंदर रह सकती है.
Ma'am,
Why
because
so?
seal is like a fish only.
Seal is like a fish, true, but वो सांस लेने तो आती है ना, ऊपर ही आती है वो सांस लेने. It comes on the surface of water to breathe.
Ma'am, seals is like a whale or a dolphin.
Mom, I
Yes.
think that penguins don't have whales.
The right answer is बेटा, seal के blood में एक तो RBCs बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं, ठीक है, तो वो बहुत ज्यादा ऑक्सीजन बाइंड करते हैं, और seal की मसल्स में बहुत ज्यादा ऑक्सीजन बाइंड होती है. यहाँ पर देखो, जो ये देखो, लंग्स, ब्लड एंड मसल, तो ब्लड में सील के बहुत ऑक्सीजन बाइंड होती है. दिस ब्लैक पोर्शन इज शोइंग कि ब्लड में कितनी, मसल में कितनी ऑक्सीजन बाइंड होती है. देखो कितनी ज्यादा ऑक्सीजन बाइंड होती है मसल में, और ब्लड में उससे भी ज्यादा ऑक्सीजन बाइंड होती है. तो एक बार जब सील ब्रीथ करता है तो एक साथ मसल और ब्लड दोनों में बहुत ज्यादा ऑक्सीजन बाइंड हो जाती है, इसलिए वो आराम से बिना ऑक्सीजन के पानी के अंदर 30 मिनट तक रह सकता है. लेकिन वही ह्यूमंस में देखो, मसल्स में कितनी कम ऑक्सीजन बाइंड होती है और ब्लड में भी कितनी कम ऑक्सीजन बाइंड होती है as compared to a seal. Okay, so the answer is seal binds a lot of oxygen in its blood and muscles. Therefore, it is able to stay underwater for a longer period of time. आपको जनरल नॉलेज के लिए पता होना चाहिए. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please
Alright.
repeat the answer?
Beta, the answer is that seal has a lot of red blood cells in its blood. Therefore, it binds a lot of oxygen in its blood as well as in its muscle, which helps it to stay underwater for a longer period of time.
Okay.
Chalo. Let's move on to the next part. अब देखते हैं किसकी adaptation आई है. कौन है ये?
I'm
Ma'am,
penguin.
penguin.
पेंगुइन. एक कार्टून भी आता था ना पेंगुइन के नाम से, पिंगू. What was the name of the cartoon?
Madagascar.
There used to be a cartoon when we were of your age. There used to be a cartoon of penguin. It was a very
Ma'am,
famous.
there is a cartoon too, but there's a movie also called The Happy Feet.
Okay.
This is the picture from that movie only.
Okay, okay, okay. All right.
Ma'am,
Now,
my mom used to watch this penguin show.
okay. All right. Looking at the penguin, can you tell me the adaptations of a penguin?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it has
fur to
blubber.
protect itself and
Ma'am, it is
long
blubber.
Blubber, okay. Thick skin, okay. Next.
Ma'am, it has flaps to swim in water, hollow bones to so that it doesn't sink in water, thick fur to protect it from coldness, and ma'am, it has a beak to catch fish from water.
Ma'am, and it has black skin so that it can absorb heat. Ma'am, your voice
Ma'am,
is
you
not
aren't
coming.
available.
Ma'am, you aren't
Your voice is not audible.
Ma'am, you aren't audible.
It does not have. Can you hear me, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first adaptation of the penguin is that it has thick skin. It has thick skin to protect it from cold climate. Okay. You can write down.
Ma'am, can you please repeat what were you saying? There was network issue at my area.
Thick skin to protect itself from cold environment.
Ma'am, can it be that it has black fur to absorb heat?
Yes. It has white and black both. From one side it is white, from other side it is black. Why is it white from one side and why is it black from the other side?
Ma'am, white fur merging in the snow to escape from predators.
Very good.
Ma'am, the second black is to absorb heat.
Yes. White to camouflage it in the snow. White क्या करता है, इसको स्नो के अंदर कैमोफ्लाज कर देता है. और ब्लैक क्या करता है, जब ये पानी में स्विम करता है तब उसे कैमोफ्लाज कर देता है. और ब्लैक इसे हीट अब्सॉर्ब करने में भी हेल्प करता है. क्लियर? So black does two functions. First, it camouflages it when the penguin swims in water. Second, it absorbs heat. And white camouflages it when it walks on the snow. Write down. आप अपनी लैंग्वेज में भी लिख सकते हो.
Ma'am, can you once please repeat what was the point of thick skin?
Beta, thick skin से help us to protect, keep it warm. Thick skin help us to keep it warm. It has sharp beak to hunt fish. It has sharp beak to hunt fish. अवनी, आपको मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा?
Ma'am, what you said for shark beak?
Shark beak helps to catch fish. Avni, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Now I can hear you. I got disconnected.
Yes, आप डिस्कनेक्ट हो गए थे बेटा, आपके साइड से नेटवर्क इशू था. Okay, sharp claws. Sharp claws. You can see in the diagram it has sharp claws. Why sharp claws? To hold the slippery surface of snow.
This point you tell us for the adaptation of polar bear also.
Yes.
Ma'am, written.
Okay. Now forelimbs. Forelimbs means the hands. Forelimbs adapted to swim. Forelimbs adapted to swim.
Ma'am, they are like flippers.
Yes. Forelimb likes flippers adapted to swim. Five points done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Birds and bones are hollow. Birds bones are hollow. Penguin की bones hollow नहीं होती.
Ma'am, because birds have to fly, but penguins don't have to fly. Ma'am, if birds' bones will not be hollow, ma'am, they'll sink. They won't be able to fly as they will have a lot of weight.
Yes. Birds bone are hollow because they have to fly, but penguins bones are dense because it has to swim. So it has to overcome buoyant force of the water. Write down the answer. Birds bone are hollow because they have to fly. Penguins bones are dense because it helps them to swim in water by overcoming buoyant force of water. जब पेंगुइन पानी में स्विम करेगा तो पानी उसके ऊपर buoyant फोर्स लगाएगी, राइट? लेकिन पेंगुइन को उस फोर्स को ओवरकम करना है. दैट इज व्हाई इट्स बोन्स आर डेंस. क्लियर?
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, can you please wait for a minute?
अध्ययन ने सारी एडेप्टेशंस पेंगुइन के लिख के भेजे हैं. These are right. All these are right. Adyan, good Adyan. So one more adaptation आप लिख सकते हो. Penguin की, it has dense bones which helps it to swim.
This one I have written it in point number 6.
Okay. Done.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
please scroll up a bit?
ठीक है अब.
Yes, ma'am. I'm written.
चलो नीचे अब चलते हैं. Question: Penguin have white front and black back. ये तो आपको पता ही होगा क्यों. Everybody knows why.
Ma'am, white fur to camouflage and black
Ma'am, white
fur
blood to
absorb
camouflage and black is blubber.
Black is to absorb sun heat.
Ma'am, heat.
And again,
It is a good radiator.
yes, and again to camouflage while it is swimming. Water. Camouflage it in water. ठीक है, ये देखो, जब ये पानी में स्विम करता है, ब्लैक है, तो ये पानी के साथ ब्लेंड हो जाता है, ये दिखता नहीं है फिर. Okay, one more adaptation of penguin. It walks in herds. Herds के अंदर चलते हैं, झुंड बना के चलते हैं, ताकि predators इन पे अटैक ना कर पाए.
Ma'am, but they have one disadvantage also.
क्या बेटा?
Ma'am, they wobble, so the predators don't need to chase them because they wobble, so their speed is very slow as compared to predators.
Okay, good point. So they walk in herds. ध्यान रखेंगे इस पॉइंट को भी. आ सकता है, सोक्रेटिव में भी आ सकता है, तो you should know.
I'm written.
All right. Next, adaptation. Okay. अब जो टेम्परेट रीजन में, डेजर्ट कर लिया, पोलर रीजन कर लिया. नेक्स्ट है टेम्परेट रीजन में जो एनिमल्स रहते हैं उनकी अडेप्टेशन करनी है. अब बात करते हैं एलिफेंट की. एलिफेंट की क्या अडेप्टेशन है? सबसे पहले क्या दिख रहा है भाई?
Ma'am, long ears to hear very thin sounds of predators.
Yes.
And ma'am, long teeth to, like, if there is something blocking its way, so it can easily take it apart. And ma'am, a long trunk also to eat food and to, like, bathe itself and to protect it.
Yes, very
Ma'am,
good.
can I tell some?
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
Ma'am, it has big ear which can trap and radiate body heat. Ma'am, it has trunk to smell, and ma'am, it has legs to support their weight.
Yes.
And ma'am, their tusks are like incisors for the protection to gathering of food.
Very good. So one by one you can write down. Elephants में first point क्या है? They have big round legs. To hold body weight. Second, big ears to radiate body heat. To radiate body heat. And third.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Ma'am, elephants have so much high weight, ma'am, but still they don't sink in water while swimming.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. अगर ज्यादा गहरा पानी होगा एनिमल्स
And they will sink.
हाँ. Nose and upper lip modified into trunk. To gather food. Fourth, incisors developed into long tusks. Tusks to protect from predators.
Mom, how do they eat?
How do they eat?
Yeah.
They have teeth. Molars
Yeah,
होते हैं.
I know.
Ma'am, they have
molars.
24 molars.
Yes.
I know.
They have 24 molars which change. कितने बार change करते हैं?
Ma'am, in the handout it was written 4 to 6 times.
4 to 6
Ma'am,
times.
6 times.
Yes. 6 times.
Mom,
जो उसके अंदर के जो अंदर के माउथ में टीथ. बोलो.
मैम क्या बोलते हैं ये जो इनके सामने लाइक ट्रंक्स के सामने जो टीथ टाइप ऑफ थिंग होते हैं व्हाट आर दैट यूज्ड फॉर?
क्या बेटा? ये जो टीथ होते हैं ये
नहीं ये जो क्या बोलते हैं ट्रंक के सामने जो दो
हाँ इनको टस्क बोलते हैं.
टस्क. ओके.
Ma'am, written.
Okay, fifth, hair on tail to swat flies. Swat flies मतलब flies को दूर भगाने के लिए.
Ma'am, in a video I saw, ma'am, elephants, ma'am, in the elephant's head, ma'am, there is a sort of indicator, ma'am, which works as a compass and tells it where is which direction.
Okay, good point. Okay. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what you have written after hair on tail?
To swat flies.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, written.
I've written.
Do you know, जैसे humans में the mother keeps the baby for 9 months. That is called the gestation period. So mother keeps the baby for 9 months. Do you know for how long does elephant keeps a baby in his
Ma'am, for 1 or 2 years.
for approximately 2 years. That is 22 months. So the gestation period of an elephant is the longest gestation period. It keeps the baby for 22 months in its stomach. That is too much. Okay. देखो ये एलिफेंट का माउथ है. इस माउथ के अंदर ये जो है these are the molars. Molars help in grinding the food. कितने molars होते हैं? 24 molars होते हैं.
Ma'am, 12 on each jaw.
Yes. और ये कितने बार चेंज होते हैं? इनके लाइफ टाइम में 6 टाइम्स चेंज होते हैं ये टीथ. मतलब 6 बार दांत गिरते हैं और 6 बार नए दांत आते हैं.
So, ma'am, when the teeth fall, ma'am, do they swallow their teeth?
No, beta. Why will they swallow their teeth?
Excuse me, ma'am, can you please mark the teeth as I cannot see the teeth? Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now next. Okay, gestation period of elephant, that is the time for which it keeps the baby in its body, 22 months. For 22 months, it keeps the baby in its body. Okay, the longest gestation period is of Indian elephant, 22 months. And smallest gestation period, Virginia opossum. Virginia opossum is an animal. It looks like this and it keeps the baby for only 12 days in its body. तो अगर आपको नोट डाउन करना आप कर सकते हो, आपकी नॉलेज के लिए है ये। लॉन्गेस्ट जेस्टेशन पीरियड किसका होता है और स्मॉलेस्ट जेस्टेशन पीरियड किसका होता है?
Ma'am, written.
अध्ययन, बेटा तुम ये जो सारे अडेप्टेशंस हैं ये तुम चैट पे क्यों लिख के भेज रहे हो बेटा?
Ma'am, actually, I don't have my notebook right now, so at the end, I'll just save chat and so that I'll have all that information.
ओके ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट। अब नेक्स्ट देखते हैं किसका करना है। ऑलराइट, okay, here one part is missing. The part is जो cat family होती है, lion and tiger, especially tiger, what are the adaptations?
Ma'am, it can camouflage.
What are the
Lion
adaptations
has
of?
brown skin so that it can camouflage in dry grass.
Yes, write down adaptations of lion and
Ma'am,
tiger.
and it has two eyes in the front so that it can have a target of his
Very
prey.
good, very good.
It has rough tongue to scrap and flesh from bone.
ये सब हैंडआउट से देख के बोल रहे हो ना?
Ma'am, they have big teeth to hunt, and ma'am, they have hair all over themselves, ma'am, so that like, ma'am,
Very
so
good.
that like when they are eating something, ma'am, if anything stucks to their body, ma'am, from the hair they can easily remove it with the help of their tongue.
Okay, first is what सनीमी क्या पॉइंट बोला था आपने बेटा? बोलो one
Ma'am,
by
it
one.
has brown skin so that it can
Yes, very good.
camouflage in dry grass.
It has brown skin to camouflage in the forest. Second, strong hind legs, very strong hind legs.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of hind legs?
Beta,
Ma'am,
hind
they
limbs.
facilitate to help it jump on its prey.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, strong hind limbs to take long jumps, to catch prey. Third, barbs on tongue. Barbs on tongue क्या होता है बेटा? टंग के ऊपर थॉर्न जैसे स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं. Barbs on tongue to scrap off flesh. To scrap off flesh from prey.
Ma'am,
अगर लायन या टाइगर ने आपके हैंड को 3-4 बार लिक कर लिया ना, तो आपके हैंड की स्किन उसके टंग पे आ जाएगी. इतने थॉर्न्स होते हैं उसके टंग के ऊपर.
ma'am, don't the tiger's horns affect its gum or hurt its gum?
नो बेटा, उसका माउथ भी पूरी तरीके से अंदर से थॉर्ड नहीं होता है. ओके. Sharp canines. Have you seen the canines? They are very sharp. Sharp canines to
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
tear
the
of flesh.
ones are very lower, and the like the canine for canines, ma'am, they we can see it even if its mouth is closed,
Oh.
and ma'am, the upper two canines are longer than the lower canine.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Bolo Namit.
Ma'am, it is showing that barbs on tongue to scrap off flesh from prey. So, ma'am, like they lick their hands also and they clean themselves. So
हाँ
that
बेटा,
does not
नहीं तो उनकी फरी स्किन होती है ना, उनकी फरी स्किन होती है, तो उनको कोई हार्म नहीं होता. लेकिन आपको अगर उसने लिक कर लिया ना 2-3 बार, तो आपकी स्किन उसके माउथ में आ जाएगी.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
I think, ma'am, it lips is as thorny, as sticky as, ma'am, camel.
नहीं, उससे भी ज्यादा.
Okay.
ओके, लास्ट 5th. और कोई पॉइंट बता सकता है?
Ma'am, it has both eyes on the same place so that it can have target of a prey of his prey.
Yes, ma'am, for the better judgment.
And ma'am, it has a very like ma'am, I don't know what like the main term. Ma'am, its body is so loose that ma'am, it can like move so slightly that like without making any noise, so that the prey doesn't run away.
Okay. Sharp claws again to catch prey. Sharp claws to catch prey. 6th point. It has lean body and strong muscles to run fast. It has lean body and strong muscles to run fast. चलो जल्दी से करेंगे अब. आज I want to finish off this chapter.
Ma'am, written.
Okay. Next.
Okay.
Can you identify what is this creature?
Ma'am, a frog.
It is a frog. But can you see the eyes? They are red in color. So it is a
Yes,
special
ma'am.
type of frog. This frog is the red eye frog. What is it?
Red eye frog.
Red eye frog. Now let's see the adaptations of red eye frog. First adaptation of red eye frog is that it has red eyes to scare away the predators. It has red eyes to scare away the predators.
Ma'am, what does the color red? I like with the color red, and
Yes.
like it has red color eyes. How does it like scares of the predators?
आसपास जो प्रेडेटर्स होते हैं, जो उसको हंट कर रहे होते हैं, जो एनिमल्स होते हैं, वो उसकी रेड आई को देख के स्केयर्ड हो जाते हैं. दे डोंट कम नियर इट. इट लुक्स स्केरी टू देम. ओके. It is not talking about human predators. It is talking about animal predators. Okay. Red eye to scare away predators. To green color. Again, why green color? To hide itself
Ma'am,
in
to
trees.
hide in the trees and leaves.
Yes, very good. Green color.
Ma'am, it also has sticky legs to stick on leaves.
Very good. To hide in trees. Sticky feet to hold the branches or to hold the leaves and branches firmly.
Mom, it has big eyes to set its tongue-like position to catch flies.
Yes, it has sticky feet. ये हमने कर लिया.
Ma'am, so can you please scroll up a bit as I was writing the last point?
Okay.
Ma'am, I was
Yes.
asking that, ma'am, it has sticky as ma'am, when I want to ask ma'am that, ma'am, when it will catch the prey, ma'am, in one go only it will catch, or ma'am, it will take time.
Better, that depends. You cannot say it can catch in one go or it will catch in 2 or 3 attempts.
So ma'am, it depends on judgment.
Yes, it depends on its judgment. Long hind limbs to take long jumps.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, read it.
Unwritten.
Chalo, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now adaptation of, what is this animal called? This is lion-tailed macaque.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of Macau?
Macaque is the name given to it, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, they are found in coastal regions.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
So can anybody tell me? Bolo, beta. Bolo,
Ma'am,
bolo.
Ma'am, it
Can
lives
you
in
hear me?
coastal regions. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it lives in coastal regions. So, ma'am, so, ma'am, like there, it's very hot over there. Plus, ma'am, it has black fur, so they absorb more heat. So, don't it undergoes dehydration?
No. No. No dehydration. Okay. Lion-tailed macaque, first of all, it is a very good climber. So it's a good climber. So it helps itself. It helps to protect itself from predators. Okay. So first, it is a good climber. Write down.
Ma'am, is it endangered?
Endangered, rare species hai, but not endangered.
Ma'am, like lion, it is also carnivorous.
Yes, it is carnivorous.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
देखो ये इसका फेस कैसा है, इसके फेस को कहते हैं मेन. The face is called the mane. So
Ma'am,
it has
its
white
face
and
is
black
like
mane
a
to,
lion.
yes, it has white and black mane to scare off the predators. Write down white, silver and white mane to give scary look to keep predators away.
Ma'am, this is the first point or second?
Second point, देखो screen पे देखो लिखे हुए हैं points.
Yes, ma'am, I was just confirming.
Mom, can you please repeat what is main? There was a network issue.
क्या बेटा, क्या बताना है?
Mom, can you please repeat what is main? There was a network issue.
Mane means the face, the face of it. ये जो face है
Mom,
इसका
it
round
is
face
only
इसको mane कहते हैं.
referred to this animal, or we can use it for other animals too?
क्या बेटा? आपकी
Ma'am,
वॉइस
is it,
बहुत क्रैक कर रही है. आराम
ma'am,
से बोलो.
ma'am, is it used for this animal, or we can use mane for other animals too?
बेटा मेन सिर्फ फेस को नहीं कहते, द ओवरऑल अपीयरेंस, यू नो, जो उसके बड़े से कान हैं और जो उसके फर हैं, हेयर जो उसके फेस के आसपास, दैट टुगेदर इज कॉल्ड द मेन. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
गुड आईसाइट टू स्पॉट फ्रूट एंड प्रीहेंसाइल टेल.
Ma'am, so it is
Ma'am,
a
what is the meaning of
omnivores.
prehensile? Ma'am, what is the meaning of prehensile? Ma'am, your voice is not
टेलिंग
audible.
यू. हाँ बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, I am saying is that ma'am, your voice is not reachable.
हाँ बीच बीच में मेरी वॉइस क्रैक हो रही है बेटा थोड़ी सी.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I was saying that what is the meaning of prehensile?
बेटा prehensile tail means it is used for the animal. It is used for the animal's body part. So it
Okay,
is
ma'am.
prehensile tail. It is used for holding branches. जब ये एक से दूसरी branch पे swing करता है तो जो इसकी prehensile tail है, it help us to hold branches. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Ma'am, is it omnivores?
Yes, macaque is omnivores.
Ma'am, written.
Okay, last.
कैसे चलेगा?
Last is
लगता है
toucan.
थोड़ा खा
Toucan is a bird. Can you see the picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. Last is toucan. Write down toucan.
Ma'am, the adaptations also we have to write.
Yes, adaptations भी कर रहे हैं. toucan लिख लिया बेटा? toucan लिखने के बाद adaptations करते हैं. Hard beak to crack nut. The beak of toucan is very hard. और अब अगर आप साइड में से देखोगे इसमें क्लियरली दिखा नहीं हुआ, जो इसकी बीक होती है, जैसे नाइफ का आपने देखा है, जिस एंड से नाइफ से कट करते हैं कैसे होता है वो एंड, ऐसे होता है ना.
Ma'am, very sharp.
Very sharp and like this it is, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is called serrated. This is called serrated. So just like knife, toucan also have a serrated beak.
Ma'am, like knife only, it has the
Yes.
same ability to cut.
Yes, yes. It has serrated beak which helps it to crack nut. Okay?
Okay,
Understood
ma'am.
everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Long beak to reach fruit. Long beak इसलिए है ताकि अगर fruit दूर है तो it can just move around and catch the fruit easily with its long beak. All right. Big eyes to spot fruit. Big eyes for clear vision, ताकि इसे clearly दिखे कि fruits कहाँ हैं.
Ma'am, do squirrels also have such kind of serrated three?
नहीं. Squirrel के तो teeth होते हैं. Squirrel के पास squirrel की beak थोड़ी ना होती है बेटा.
पूरा अच्छे से बंद कर दो.
Okay, please mute your mic. अगर आप लोग को डाउट नहीं है तो माइक म्यूट करके रखेंगे. ये किसका माइक है जो ऑन है?
Ma'am, it was Radhya.
कोई बात नहीं, चलो म्यूट योर माइक. अगर डाउट है तो ही माइक ऑन करेंगे वरना डिस्टर्बेंस होती है क्लास को. ओके, बिग आइज टू स्पॉट फ्रूट. देन शार्प शॉर्ट क्लॉज. शार्प क्लॉज होते हैं इसके आगे से, लेकिन छोटे क्लॉज होते हैं. विथ 2 toes, 2 + 2 toes, मतलब दो टोज आपस में जुड़ी हुई है, यहाँ पे आप क्लियरली देख सकते हो.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
they
But
just have
each toe there are two.
fingers in one leg.
Yes. Correct color to blend into the surroundings. The color of the toucan helps it to blend it with the surroundings.
Ma'am, written.
Chalo, done.
Ma'am, please wait, ma'am. I'm at the last point.
Ma'am,
हाँ,
does
देखो.
toucan also camouflage? Because ma'am, it is written correct color to blend into the surrounding.
Yes. लेकिन कैमोफ्लाज ये खुद हो जाता है, ये
Okay, ma'am.
इसके पास एबिलिटी नहीं है अपने कलर को चेंज करने की.
Okay,
जो
ma'am.
उसका ऑटोमेटिकली बाय डिफॉल्ट जो कलर है वो उससे कैमोफ्लाज हो जाता है.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, in the ma'am, in the correct color, ma'am, the color spelling is wrong. It should be COLOUR.
हाँ
Ma'am,
बेटा.
in the fifth point.
Sometimes
But
COLOR is also used.
Yes, ma'am. But in computer, in America,
Yes.
there is used
Yes.
in
COLOR.
color like COLOR.
COLOR. Right. Chalo, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that completes the chapter. Now I am giving you 5 minutes to revise. फिर हम एक short quiz करेंगे.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
फटाफट.
please, ma'am,
हाँ बोलो.
please scroll down. I'm writing the point
Okay,
5.
okay, okay, okay. लिख लो बेटा.
Ma'am, will we have to raise the hand or ma'am, we have to write the answer in chat?
मैं बता दूंगी. अभी पहले तुम.
Okay, ma'am.
10 मिनट है. Ready? Everyone ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Only you will only raise your hands and I will call out the name of the student who has to answer. And everybody has to participate. Okay? सनीमी और तारुष के सिवा सारी क्लास पार्टिसिपेट करेगी. अवनी, जानवी, नमित, राध्या, विदेश, अध्ययन, all of you will participate in the quiz. All right.
Radha is not in the class.
राध्या तुम्हारी क्लास में नहीं? अच्छा ओके, वो चली गई होगी.
She is in a class, but she has left.
ओके ओके, ऑल राइट. हाँ जी अध्ययन बोलो.
Ma'am, I have raised my hand to answer.
अभी मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा ही नहीं है. Why have you raised your hand? Lower your hand. Okay. What is acclimatization? अध्ययन बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, acclimatization is basically adaptation, but it happens very slow.
अध्ययन acclimatization की जब डेफिनेशन बोलेंगे तो अडेप्टेशन वर्ड यूज नहीं करेंगे. अडेप्टेशन वर्ड यूज करते ही acclimatization की डेफिनेशन गलत हो जाएगी बेटा. So what is acclimatization? जानवी बोलो.
I'm making small changes in the body for a short time to get over nausea.
To get over nausea नहीं, to get over the changes in the surroundings. Okay, entire definition is right, बस last में थोड़ी सी गलत हो गई. It is the small adjustments made by the body according to the changes in the surroundings for a short period of time. Clear?
Okay.
छोटे छोटे एडजस्टमेंट्स जो हमारी बॉडी करती है, किसके अकॉर्डिंग? सराउंडिंग्स के अकॉर्डिंग फॉर अ शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. वेरी इजी. अब बोलो अध्ययन, डेफिनेशन रिपीट करो बेटा.
Acclimatization is a slow change which helps us recover changes in the climatical conditions in our surroundings.
Small adjustments made by the body with respect to the change in the surroundings for a short period of time. Clear? Chalo, next. What is adaptation? Tarush bolo. Tarush, adaptation.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Bolo beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, adaptation, ma'am, is that, ma'am, plants and animals, ma'am, develop some features which are permanent changes in the surroundings.
No, permanent changes in their body. So
Okay, permanent changes in the body.
Yes. So what is adaptation? Adaptations are permanent changes in the body which have developed over several years to help the organisms cope up with their habitat. Permanent changes होते हैं ये. Acclimatization में short term change होता है, adaptation में permanent change होता है. और बहुत टाइम के बाद एनिमल में ये परमानेंट चेंज आता है, so that it can cope up with its surroundings. Clear? All right. Next, 4 different type of climate. सनेमी बोलो.
Ma'am, desert climate, polar climate, temperate climate, and tropical climate.
Excellent, excellent. Next, lower your hands, lower your hands. Okay, next, what is climate? What is climate? Namit, what is climate?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is the average weather pattern of a place recorded over a period of past several years is called the climate.
Very good. Average weather condition of a place recorded over past several years. That is climate. Now, what is weather? Avni, what is weather?
Ma'am, weather is the day-to-day condition which changes of a place.
Day-to-day condition of a place with respect to its temperature, humidity, wind, and rainfall. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Very good attempt. अभी तक सबने बहुत अच्छा attempt किया है. I'm impressed. All right. Next, give me 3 adaptations of camel. Give me 3 adaptations of camel. Okay, Tarush बोलो बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, yes, बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the adaptation of camels are, ma'am, that, ma'am, it has hard lips so that, ma'am, it can eat pricky
Thick
thorn
lips.
leaves. And, ma'am,
Thick lips.
second point is that, ma'am, it has padded feet so that, ma'am, it is protected from the hot sand. And, ma'am, its eyelashes are 3 times covered so that it is not harmed by the sunshine.
Not harmed, so that the sand does not get into the eyes.
Sand.
Thick lips बोलेंगे बेटा, hard lips नहीं बोलेंगे. Thick
Okay,
lips
ma'am.
बोलेंगे. Thick lips too, so that it can eat thorny plants. Then padded feet, right? And then eyelashes, 3 pair of eyelashes, so that sand does not enter into the eyes. Yes. Hump on the back is also right. Janvi, hump on the back is also right. Long eyelashes.
On the backs too, ma'am. It is the hump
And ma'am,
shows fat.
leathering covering on their knees.
Yes,
Ma'am,
leathery cover. Very
leather
good.
covering and skin to protect body from
Heat. Heat. Very good. Very good. Now give me 3 adaptations of polar bear. Sanemi bolo.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it has white fur to camouflage in the snow, and
Yes. White fur to camouflage. in
ma'am,
the
it
snow.
has blubber.
Blubber, right?
Ma'am, and small ears so that it does not radiate body heat.
Very good. Very good. Small ears so that it does not radiate body heat. Excellent.
Ma'am, it has snoot so that, ma'am, it can
Long
convert cold
snoot.
air into warm air.
Yes, very good. Long snout to convert cool air into warm air. All right. Now give me 3 adaptations of seal. Seal. कौन बताएगा? कौन बताएगा? नामित बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it has the forward-facing eyes for clear vision,
Very
and it
good.
has the flippers to help it swim.
Very
And
good.
ma'am, it has streamlined shape.
Streamlined body. Very good.
Ma'am, streamlined body to float in water
Yes,
easily.
very good. Streamlined body to swim in water easily. All right. Now give me 3 adaptations of toucan. Toucan की 3 adaptations कौन देगा? Vidish. Vidish, give me. Is Vijay in your class?
Ma'am, there is no Vijay in our class.
Yes, ma'am, there is no vision.
Okay. Give me 3 adaptations of toucan. Who is going to give me 3 adaptations of toucan? Tarush, nahi. Sanemi, nahi. Okay, Avni, give me 3 adaptations of toucan.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so it has a hard beak to crack nut,
Yes.
long beak to reach fruit on weak stems,
Very good.
and he has large eyes for better vision.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. 3 adaptations of lion-tailed macaque. Okay. चलो बोलो तारुश, तुम बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
Lion-tailed macaque के 3 adaptation.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is a good climber. Ma'am, it has good eyesight to spot fruit. And ma'am, it has prehensile tail.
Prehensile tail, silver and white mane, good eyesight. Very good. All these are. Okay. So that's it. All of you have performed really well. I'm glad आपको chapter समझ में आ गया है.
Ma'am, it was
Next.
quite interesting and interactive.
Yes, it
Yes,
was
ma'am, it
very
was good.
okay. I also enjoyed taking class with you. It was a very interactive session.
Yes, ma'am.
So next time, tomorrow, I guess you have a class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Wednesday.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, we have
tomorrow.
class.
Tomorrow, I think I'm going to take heat doubts. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
tomorrow, most probably, I'm going to take heat doubts.
And
So
heat
come,
revision.
yes. So come prepared with your doubts because then you have your heat test.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You have your heat test.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
come prepared with your doubts. All
Okay,
right.
ma'am.
Bye,
Okay.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
beta. Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Namit, class is over, beta. Class is over.
There was some network issue, ma'am. Can you please tell what you have done after the questions?
मैंने ये बोला कल हीट के डाउट सेशन है तो कल हीट के सारे डाउट्स इकट्ठे करके लेकर आओगे. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
ओके बाय.